I think it's long overdue, but mostly it's surprising how little adoption wallet descriptors have received thus far. And my main issue with the lack of adoption is I think that if the rest of the ecosystem keeps just treading water and ignoring this, then it's potentially going to hinder adoption of the cool stuff that people are starting to want to build, like taking advantage of Taproot, TapScript, more complex spending conditions, because we're no longer in the world where you may only have a single signature wallet or a standard 2 of 3 or 3 of 5, and that's the extent of your spending conditions. For example, I want to be playing around with ManyScript and creating crazy, arbitrarily complex spending conditions. And the standard wallet software that's out there, like even the good, highly adopted multi-sig wallet software that's out there, it doesn't really give you the flexibility. We have the tooling at the protocol layer, but we don't yet have the software layer tooling to be able to easily define and create and back up and recreate these more complex wallets. So I think that we just need to start with descriptor support.